Now that we've finished Edison, we will move to Zendesk. We will start by visiting the TN Partners for Health website. The web address is www.tn.gov/partnersforhealth. Select the Agency Benefits Coordinator tab. Then select the Zendesk tab and click Zendesk website. Select Sign In. If this is your first time logging in, select Forgot My Password. Then you will type in your email and Zendesk will send you an email with a link to change your password. Please note that you are not required to use the Sign In tab. However, you can view or track your activity and save articles when you are signed into Zendesk. The search bar is similar to an internet search engine such as Google. You can utilize the search bar to quickly search for information by using keywords. For this example, let's say you have a question about divorce. Notice, we have 6 results just from that one keyword. To get back to the home page, click on the TN for Partners icon located on the upper left side of the page. Now that we are back to the home page, let's view the Promoted Articles section. You can find the most searched articles here. Below that is the Recent Activity section. It contains the most recently added articles by Benefits Administration staff. Both sections should help answer any questions you may have. If you are unsuccessful with your search, you can connect with Benefits Administration by clicking the Help button. The BA Help bot will try to assist you. You will type your question in the box and the answer bot will locate articles using keywords from your questions. Notice, my question was, how do I run a collection applied report? Here is a list of all articles related to that question. We also have our Get in Touch option. If your question was not answered by the help bot, you can connect with the BA analyst through a live chat session during business hours. If it is after hours, you will have the option to leave a message, which will create a Zendesk ticket. Finally, we have the Submit a Request option. You can choose your concern or issue from the drop-down menu. If you have a question about an active employee and/or their dependents, you will select that option to submit a ticket. If you need to upload documents, you will select the document upload for active employees. If you need to upload documents for retirees, you will select Document Upload for Retirement. You would need to complete each field to ensure your request is routed to the appropriate BA team. You will receive an email from Benefits Administration acknowledging that a request has been submitted for review. Benefits Administration staff strives to resolve the ticket within 1.5 business days or less.